Hello friends, a warm welcome. My name is Syed Mehktaj. I am studying in ninth standard. Today I am explaining you about natural resources. Meaning and types of natural resources. Natural resources are naturally occurring substances that are considered valuable in their natural form. Natural resources are generally classified into two types, that is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. The first point is renewable resources. Some natural resources get replenished as we use them. These resources are called renewable resources. Example: water, land, forest, air, sunlight, etc. The next point is non-renewable resources. Some natural get duplicated as we go on using them. These resources are known as non-renewable resources. Example: coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Scarcity of resources. The main factor of increasing scarcity are overpopulation, growing industrialization, expanding urban areas, atmospheric pollution, water pollution, and land degradation. The first point is overpopulation. The increasing overpopulation requires additional land and growing additional food and providing shelter, which is met through conversion of forest land into agricultural land and agricultural land into residential, commercial, and industrial land. The next point is growing industrialization. With increased industrialization, extraction of minerals, ores, crude oil, and water increases, resulting in empty of mines, oil wells, and water resources. The next point is expanding urban areas. Urban areas are those where a huge pollution lives in a small areas. Urban areas are those where a huge population lives in a small area. The next point is atmospheric pollution. With a greater burning of fossil fuels like coal and diesel are more harmful elements like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and dust get into the air, polluting it. The next point is conservation of resources. Conservation of resources is the responsibility of all of us. How can we do it? You can do it by adopting the 4R strategy, that is reduce, reuse, recharge or regenerate, and research. The first point is reduce. Reduce refers to minimizing the use of resources and their wastage or trying to use less amount of any resources. It will also reduce pollution. For example, you can reduce air pollution by reducing the use of your vehicles. The next point is reuse. This is a very simple but effective way to conserve resources. Every resources have not only alternative uses but can be used multiple times. For example, the water that was used for bathing can be used for generating, and the waste paper can be converted into packaging material. The next point is recycle. This refers to taking steps to allow the resources to grow through conscious human effects. All rainwater harvesting effects recharge groundwater. Afforestation recharges tree stocks and the biodiversity. The next point is research. Researching ways to find renewable alternative to non-renewable resources. Solar or wind energy is a renewable alternative to the energy we use. The next point is reducing our biological footprint. What can you do to reduce your ecological footprints? Buy organic food or locally grown produce. Have a kitchen garden. By doing this, you cut down on pollution from shipping, filtration, packaging, etc., and your food is fresher. Bring your own bags to the store. Buy and eat fewer processed foods. Instead of eating a juice box, eat a piece of food. Eat at home instead of ordering out. The next point is energy or electricity. Put off all the lights when not in use. Turn the air conditioner or heater off at night. Get outside. Outside activities are fun and take less energy. Keep doors and windows shut when heating or cooling the house. The next point is creating less waste. Buy a product with the least amount of packing possible. Ask for no bag when you buy something you can carry without one. Donate old items to someone who can use them. Buy items that can be used over and over. Reuse the water bottles. The next point is water. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Don't pour toxic down storm drains. Run only full loads in your dishwasher or washing machine. Put a brick in your toilet tank. Use Indian type toilets more. The last point is community. Educate people in the community about their ecological footprint and what they can do to make it smaller. Join the groups to make local rivers and streams heater. Get involved with a recycling program. Thank you, friends. I think this will be so much helpful for you. Thank you so much.